Welcome to Mods and Reviews. My name is Brady. This is the Summer Waves Quickset Pool, 16 foot by 42 inches. Have you tried this product? Please comment below and let me know what you think. Just wanted to do a really short video for you. I know the other video was really long and it explained all the setup and all that. And I know that a lot of people are just looking to say, hey, do you really like this product? And what's it look like when it's all set up? So here's a real short video for you. Hope you like it. Well, here she is. We did a little bit of landscaping just around the sides here and dug up the grass. There's still little bits and pieces in there that like to pop up, but this way you can at least mow and you can edge around the pool. So we just got some bricks going there. There's our filter, and then of course we just had a bunch of rain, so this pool is pretty full right now, very much full. But we just have some landscaping all around the side here. And conveniently, that fence was just redone by our neighbors, so that kind of helped. Got a little more landscaping to do, but we got the grass at bay. I was out here about a week ago and it was like a forest back here, and I just took a dip a little while ago. It's been raining here for 3 days, so the water's pretty cold. Needs a good cleaning, but nice little vacuuming, and probably check the chemicals a little bit more. Make sure everything's the way it should be. Overall, I really like the Summer Waves Quickset Pool. I would recommend it. These are my likes. It's low cost, easy to set up. Just make sure the ground is level. And these are my dislikes. I wish the inlet would receive a hose to a skimmer, but overall it wins because it's a budget friendly way to stay cool during the summer. Once again, this is the Summer Waves Quickset Pool, and those are my thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This video is powered by Ray's Media Studio in Katy, Texas, West Houston area. They do video, audio production, and photography, as well as graphic design. Thank you for watching.